Hey, what is going on, guys? SargeantsTechTips, and welcome to another video on my channel. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to install the 32 Sirens script, so your lights don't look like this, for one. Because, you know, I would imagine a car flying down the road trying to respond code 3 looking like this is going to probably ruin your RP experience a little bit. Now the other reason I'm showing you how to do this is because what this does is it raises the siren limit from 255 to 65,535 different light pattern combination, which allows modders and developers to make their lighting patterns a little different, and so they don't look boring or whatever. So it basically what it allows it to do. So here I have this vehicle. If I turn on the lights, you can see that it's doing a lighting pattern. What this application allows you to do is allows the developer to make the lighting pattern different. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that. So let's go ahead and get to the desktop. Alrighty, guys. So this is the website you're going to want to go to. There will be a link in the description below so you can download this file. It's going to be on lcpdfr.com, and then all you got to do is go to this website here. As I said, link in the description. Go ahead and click download this file. So just go ahead and click agree and download. Now if you have Chrome, it's going to pop up down here on the left, so you can just leave that to do its thing, or it's just going to pop up here because I have Opera. So now all you got to do is go to your downloads folder, and doing that, you can go to your file explorer, click on downloads, and then you'll have your folder here. So this is a zip file, so what it's going to do is it's just going to ask you to extract it, and with Windows, you can right click and just click extract all, and then this window will pop up, click extract. Then it's just going to extract it to a folder. Now if you have WinRAR, right click, go to WinRAR and extract to siren setting limit adjuster, blah blah blah. It'll extract it to the same folder as extract all did. But if you don't have WinRAR, extract all should work just fine. So now what you want to do is just go into this folder, double click on the folder, and then you're going to have a readme file you can ignore, and then you have the ASI file that you're going to need. So to install it, all you got to do is go to your FiveM application on your desktop, or what you can do is if you don't have it on your desktop, type in FiveM in your start menu, right click on it, click open file location, and then it's going to bring you to this window. Now what you want to do is click on FiveM application data. You're going to go down to plugins, and then you're going to take this folder, and then you're going to drag this ASI file into this folder, and then you're done. You've installed it. Now let's go ahead and jump back into the game so I can show you that it worked. Alright guys, so we're back in game, and boom, the lights are working. So that's how you fix that. What this, as I said it before, all this plugin allows your developers to do is it allows them to basically change lighting patterns and add more lighting patterns to their vehicles, and it also fixes the issue that some people might be having. So I hope this helped. If it did, drop a like. If it did not, drop a dislike. Let me know what you guys want to see for future videos in the comments below, or if you have any other tips and tricks you want me to do for FiveM, go ahead and let me know in the comments below as well. I'll see you on the next video, and peace out.